The XIAOMI MIJIA KY102 drone is a cutting-edge aerial photography drone designed for professional and recreational use. Equipped with an 8K dual camera system, it captures stunningly detailed images and videos. The drone features four-directional obstacle avoidance, optical flow positioning, and a high-definition electric lens for seamless navigation and precise control. With a 10,000-meter remote control range, a flight time of up to 30 minutes, and gravity sensing for advanced trajectory control, this drone is perfect for both beginners and enthusiasts. Compact yet powerful, it includes features like stunt rolls, one-touch takeoff/landing, and speed switching for versatile operation. Made with durable ABS material, the drone folds for easy portability and comes with a storage bag. The package includes essential accessories like protective covers, spare blades, a screwdriver, and a USB charger. Whether for aerial photography, videography, or hobby flying, the XIAOMI MIJIA KY102 is a reliable and feature-packed option.
This link is an affiliate link. If you purchase a product through these links, I will receive a small commission at no additional cost to you. Your support means a lot to me, and it helps me create better content. Purchase link, description, and in the first comment. Thank you.